So you should know that when you have y equals exponent x, the derivative will be write the function, differentiate what you have here. Okay, and that will still be what? Exponent x. And if it is a exponent x, so the y dx will be what? Write the function, differentiate what you have here, which will be 1, then lean a, the base you have there. So that will be a exponent x lean a. Okay, so that will take us to the concept of this y equals x raised to the power of x. You should know that when you differentiate y, that will be 1, but then you say dy dx. Now this one here, you see that this one is a variable and this one also is what? The independent variable. So what do? The first thing you do there is that you treat this one as a variable, and this one here you treat it as a constant. Okay, so it's just like you having x is power a. So this one is the variable and this one is the constant. Remember the way you used to treat this. Okay, so what do? You bring this one down, and that becomes what? Ax. Then you subtract 1 from this, and that will be a minus 1. That is the same thing you do here. So don't look at x as a variable. The x up here, take it as a constant. So what do we have? The x will come down, multiply the x's by x minus 1. I hope that one is clear. Bring this one down here. Okay? Multiply by x's by x minus 1. Now the next thing you will then have to do is that the base now have been treated as the variable and the power as a constant. You now treat the power as the variable and the base as what? Constant. So you remember that when you have a raised by x, when you have this, where a is the constant, I said it the other time, and what you have here is the variable. Okay, so what you say is that you will write the function to get the derivative. You write the function, then differentiate this, and that will be 1. Okay, then you say lean the base. I hope you remember. So that is the same thing you do here. Okay, so we'll write the function, multiply by, differentiate what you have up here, that will be 1, then lean the base. What's the base? X. Okay, so this one is raised by 1 here. Using the law of indices, when you have same base, you add the power, plus x raised by x lean x. So what do we have? X, 1 minus 1 will be what? 0. That's x raised by x plus x raised by x lean x. So x will be x raised by x is common, right? 1 plus lean x. And that's just it.